truck too.
They fly.
Yeah, things go
I might
just.
just walk.
Well, that guy I helped down to, he had a Peterbilt there, and he said that last week he was down.
Don't! She can't have it all the way closed.
Pulled him out like that, and cleaned up, and the carburetor, the radiator, air conditioner, everything.
Andy friggin' Boot, Deckelman Trucking. 63 B model Mac.
Holy crap!